I got the TRS jaws with the BioDesigns prosthetic and the TRS jaws attachment. I just want to show the strength of this. We upgraded the spring, but what really helps is now I don't have to use my elbow to put the shovel in here so I don't run the skin. I can use this jaws to pick up shovel loads. A lot easier. And I mean, this wheelbarrow is full. I can adjust the tension with this clip here, adding to the pounds of pressure for release. But I can load a full wheelbarrow and it'll hold. So yeah, this jaws really helps along with the yard work, and you know, it's just, I can't believe the strength and quality of the stuff I have. I never have to worry about it.